What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 5 working at home online jobs to earn $20 an hour or even more. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so there is a lot of ways that you can actually get started to work from home, and I'm going to share with you, as I said earlier here, 5 working at home online jobs that you can get started with to earn $20 or even more an hour. Now, 2 things here. First, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And secondly, you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunity. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But these opportunities are perfect to get started, to make some extra money online while we build our passive income online there. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we can do is we can go to a site like People Per Hour and do some kind of freelance job. People are coming here and they are searching for experts in articles and a lot of other things also. But let's get started with having a look at articles. So let's say that we are good in writing articles. You can see here that we have writer, editors, bloggers, all kind actually. And now this is in pounds, so if we have a look at here an example 20, let's see here if we convert it, that is actually $25 per hour. Okay, so it all depends on your expertise. If you are good in a particular niche, you can definitely charge much more. You can see here we have up to £75 per hour. So let's see here, out of curiosity, how much 75 is in US dollars. Look at this, almost $100 per hour actually. But I can guarantee you that it is in some kind of an expert here as a proofreader or whatever it is. So as I said, it all depends on your expertise. Now, if you're not good at writing, you can actually do something else. So let's have a look at video editing, for example. Okay, let's take it here. Video editing, it starts from £10. Let's look at this. 40 pounds an hour, 30, 17, 25. So if I have a look at here, 25 pounds to USD, that is actually over $30 per hour, and that is for doing video editing. Okay, really not so hard to do. If you have made some kind of videos in overall, you can definitely take up on this kind of job. Now there is more opportunities. I don't know you, I don't know your expertise, but have a look actually here to get some idea by just searching around here. So you might come up with an idea, and all you have to do is actually create a profile here and get started. Alright, next opportunity is we can go ahead and do any kind of transcribing, and what you do here is you go to rev.com and we can go to the freelancers section. So if I scroll down a little bit here, you can see here as a transcriptionist you can make up to 65 cents per audio minute, or actually 75 if you are taking up on captioning. Captioning is very popular. A lot of people want to have their videos captioned. So there is definitely a lot of opportunities and doesn't require any particular skill. Just a good pair of headphones and get started and writing. So you can go to rev.com. Now, if you happen to know, for example, you can actually take up on foreign language here, which makes you even more per hour. So if you do know a foreign language, it is a big plus. But rev.com is definitely a good way to get started as a transcriptionist. Let's move on to another opportunity. You can actually take up on any kind of virtual assistant job. And we can go to virtualassistantjobs.com. Let's go to the job section. The same goes here. There is tons of opportunities. You can search here by category, by keywords. I'm just picking up something, not sure what we are going to find here. But let's see here, executive level support. We have data entry, traffic specialists, $17 an hour, flexible. So some jobs actually you can take up on full-time, you can take on flexible part-time. This is anywhere, so I don't know, I just randomly picked something here, okay? Here the same goes, it depends on your expertise once again, okay? So there is definitely opportunities that you can find to get started with $20 plus per hour here. All right, another opportunity we can do is teaching. We can take up on some kind of tutoring. The first that comes into our mind is teaching English. VIP Kid Teachers is the #1 site to go to. You can see here you can earn up to $22 per hour by teaching English online. You pick your own hours, you'll be your own boss, so it's pretty flexible here also. Another site, chegg.com, chegg.com. You can see here for online tutoring. For 30 minutes you can make $15 for one-on-one tutoring, so that makes it up to $30 actually if you take up on 2 of these, all right? And there is a lot of things. It's not only English that you can do as a tutor, but another good thing could be math, for example. I don't know what your skills are once again there. So have a look at tutoring. It's definitely worth it, and there is tons of sites that you can go ahead and start to apply for. All right, let's move on to the final opportunity, and that is to become a tester. We can go to a site like usertesting.com, and you can see here, get paid to test. If we go to that section, you can earn up to $60 per test. What you do is you visit a website or an app, you complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and you get paid. Now how it works, as you can see here, you get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. So with 3 of those you're up to $30 an hour, but it all depends on how complex the task that you are taking up on. How complex the task and test you are taking up on, because you can see here you can earn actually up to $60 per test. So if it is a very big site or something like that, they want to have in detail how they can find some products or something like that, you can actually make up to $60 an hour. Now keep in mind, as I said in the beginning, you're probably not going to get rich, and you're probably not going to have a job all the time with this opportunity. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, I highly recommend you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. I appreciate it very much. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine, and both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities and much more. So make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.